Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many longtime Bose Quiet Comfort 15 and Quiet Comfort 2 owners might find incredibly useful. The SOULWIT Replacement Headband Pad Kit. If you've had your beloved QC15 or QC2 headphones for a while, you know that over time, the headband can start to show its age, flaking, tearing, or just losing its plush comfort. This SOULWIT kit promises to breathe new life into those classic headphones, and it comes in a rather striking burgundy color, which is a nice touch for personalization. One of the biggest selling points here is the easy DIY installation, and truly, it lives up to that claim. The process is surprisingly straightforward, even for someone who isn't particularly handy. The kit typically includes everything you need, and with a few simple steps, you can transform the look and feel of your headphones. It's not a complicated repair that requires special tools or a trip to a service center. It's designed for you to do it right at home. This ease of installation is a huge plus, as it means less downtime for your headphones and more money saved compared to buying a brand new pair. Once installed, the difference is immediately noticeable. The new headband pad feels incredibly soft and comfortable against the head, restoring that premium feel that Bose headphones are known for. The padding is ample, providing excellent cushioning for extended listening sessions, which is crucial for noise-canceling headphones like the QC15 and QC2. The burgundy color adds a unique aesthetic flair, making your headphones stand out from the standard black or silver. It's a subtle but impactful change that can make your old headphones feel fresh and new again, not just in comfort, but also in style. This SOULWIT replacement kit isn't just about fixing a worn-out part. It's about extending the life of a quality product and enhancing your overall listening experience. For anyone holding onto their Bose QC15 or QC2 headphones, this is an excellent, cost-effective solution to a common problem. It revitalizes the comfort, updates the look, and ensures you can continue enjoying your music or podcasts without discomfort. It's a smart investment for anyone looking to maintain their cherished audio gear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.